Hey guys, it's Alexis. I'm Catherine's younger sister, and today I am doing her makeup, which is very exciting. So you guys are gonna come along with me right now while I pick out her makeup. Catherine goes like really natural most days, so I kind of want to glam her up and do something really smoky on the eyes and something dramatic on the lips. So let's go figure it out. This is your channel! I feel like my crack.
So my little sister is about to do my makeup, which she has been absolutely begging me to do for almost a year now. So I'm finally caving. I'm finally letting her do it. She likes to go all out with her makeup.
Eyeshadow.
I don't. So I'm a little bit nervous. We'll see how it goes.
She's gonna love it.
Wish me luck. Here we go.
So, the theme that I'm feeling today is like just club glam, because Catherine doesn't go to the club a lot or out much. So I'm gonna make her look, what's that word? Glam.
Wow, that was a hard word to think of.
I'm starting off with the Too Faced Hangover RX.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
No, it's not. I like it. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Nice and shiny. A good base. I
So
like
good.
it.
So good.
Because Catherine has pores, like we all do. And bumpy skin. We're gonna go in with the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For. It's basically just like the Professional for Benefit, but better. So we're gonna put this on her T-zone mostly. Go like that? No. I told her to go like this, and she goes like this. There, wow! So skin is prepped. So I'm going in with the Matte and Poreless Foundation from Maybelline in 105. This is taking a long time.
I know, Jesus. How long are you going to blend this out for?
Look up. My knee. Look up. Catherine. Look up. Yep. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 15.
Oh god, Alexis.
Alright, so for powder, I'm going to use the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. We are powed there. So now I'm going to take the Cheek Parade by Benefit, and I'm going to go into, let's start off with Hula Light. So the next thing that we're going to do is go in with the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in Tropicuse. I like to steal this from Catherine.
All the time.
I really like it. Smile. No, don't. So, we are going to use the Milani Strobe Light Afterglow. Sorry, I'm shaking.
Why are you shaking?
I always shake. This is just the 01. Ready? Wow, oh my god, this is crazy, guys.
Oh my. Oh
Look
my
at the highlight.
God.
This thing is the best
God.
thing. Blind all the haters.
Can't wait.
Okay, that's enough. We're gonna do the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment, and then the Maybelline Color Jolt in Stripped Down. I'm using the Crown Pro palette. Doesn't really have a name, but I'm gonna go in with the second shade. So she's gonna do her mascara and curl her lashes because I don't want to do that. I don't want to kill my sister. So we'll be right back. We're back. Look at the camera. Cute. Now we're gonna do her brows, which I feel like is gonna like even stuff out. And I'm using my favorite. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set in Deep Brunette. And then we're going to set them with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Alright guys, so completed look. She has not seen yet.
Since I did my mascara.
Yeah.
I have not seen the finished product.
Alright, here we go. So she's going to critique it. She's going to give me like the pros and cons. I'm like the best. And if you want me as your MUA, hit me up.
Let us know how you think she did in the comment section below, and give this video a thumbs up if you think she did a good job.
And rate it on a scale of 1 to 10.
Ooh. Wow, okay.
Different.
Very, very different.
Like club vibes. Like, oh, I'm going out. Like,
I could definitely see the club vibes. I'm not used to having dark eyeshadow on. I don't even remember the last time I did dark eyeshadow, especially on my lower lash line. I usually keep that pretty bright. But overall, I think you did a really good job. Oh!
yay! Good job, Lucky. I love it.
Well, if I ever end up going to the club ever again,
Lexi MUA.
Lexi MUA. That was my little sister doing my makeup. She's wanted to do this for forever. I let her have free reign on my face, on my makeup products, and this was the look that she came up with. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun filming it. I love my little sissy, and I love the look that she did for me. Thank you for doing this for me.
Rate it 1 to 10.
1 to 10 down in the comments. Let us know what you think. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for Alexis doing a great job, my little squishy. And make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this, and maybe Alexis coming back onto my channel sometime soon.
Maybe like a mukbang?
Maybe like a mukbang where we eat a lot of food.
Yeah!
So let us know what content you guys would like to see down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very, very soon.